Welcome to Madhurima's kitchen. Let me show you what are the gifts I bought from Darjeeling tour. These are the teas for I bought for ours and for gift as well. So everybody knows about the Darjeeling tea, but this time I had this tea from Kanyam as well, the Nepali tea. Nepal also a tea producing country. So these are for milk tea from Kanyam, Nepal, and this one is Nepali green tea. Some of them are for gift, and these are the milk tea from Darjeeling, the big one and small one. Some of them are for gift and some of them are for mine. So these are from Rangit Valley Tea Estate. You can get it near Ropeway. And this is the Darjeeling Strong CTC tea. If you blend this CTC with this milk tea, the Darjeeling tea will be better, the better flavor and color as well. This is another Darjeeling tea. So this is for black tea and milk tea as well. So this is for gift. And masala chai again from Ropeway. These are the masala tea, as you can see. These are the green tea from Darjeeling. And this is organic green tea. This is from Gopaldhara Tea Estate. What else I have? Golden tea. I bought it from the Mall, that outlet. Golden tea, Orthodox Fanning and Strong CTC. This one is nice. Roasted Darjeeling. And this one is Strong CTC and Darjeeling leaf tea from Golden tea. This one is organic green tea. So there are different type of and different flavors, so depend on the price. And this one, a small bag, that is from made in Nepal. This is for gift as well. So the tea shopping is done. Oh, by the way, this is a achar, a pickle from Ropeway, the same lady where I buy tea always. I bought it from there, sweet and sour. This is what I got it from Gopaldhara Tea Estate. They're selling. And this one is Titora, famous one. Another one, Titora. So that's it. And the gift item I will share later what we can buy from Darjeeling. These I packed from Keventas, Darjeeling. Spicy sausage and bacon. And this is the chicken leg fry, famous in Darjeeling. That also I packed to Kolkata. Before I leave Darjeeling, the last evening I packed this chicken leg fry from Darjeeling Mall, and then I keep it safely in my bag, so I had it in Kolkata. And these are from Glenaries. I bought it from there. Before I leave Darjeeling, that was on 14th of November, what I bought from Glenaries. This is right now it's hard. This is the jam filled bun. It is one of my favorite. This is from Glenaries. And this one is scone. And one of my favorite is the bread. This is the bread, fruit bread actually. This is one of my favorite. And this is the sweet bread. That's my mom and dad, they love it. So this is what I bought from Glenaries. And once I'm back in Kolkata on 15th, I just kept it in freezer. So today is 19th, and I can keep it till 21st of November 2024. So always I buy from Glenaries. This time I did not get the custard cream roll, but I found the custard filled that bun, but I don't like that. I love the jam filled, so I'm going to have it right now, some of them. So this is what I bought from Glenaries as well. This year I don't get time to buy orange from the Chowk Bazaar. These are the oranges from Sitong, the small one. So all are not good. It's not sweet either. So that is the Sitong orange garden we visited, and we got this. I love this topi, and these are all 100 rupees. And these are soft topi, very stylish. I bought from Chowk Bazaar and Zakir Hussain Road. So these are only 100 rupees. So you have to find the places where you can buy. These are very nice. So 3 topis, total 300. sweater and gifts for us and for gift to others. Another gift, if you think these are expensive, no, it's not expensive. So this one is the full sleeve sweater for our maid, and that is a full sleeve sweater that is for my father, and this is a stole for me, and this is a both side shawl for my mother. So you can buy this stuff from Kala Mandir, that is located in Ladenla Road or Mohakal Market. So you can buy it from there. This is the Kalimpong filter coffee Arabica. Smell is really very strong, and I bought it from Mongpu Robindra Bhavan. And these are the bottle opener, magnet come bottle opener, and it's written I love Darjeeling over here. Let me try to show you. So it's written over here, I love Darjeeling. This is showing clearly. This is for gift, and this one I love it. I bought from Shimana Viewpoint, and these are the keychain. I love Darjeeling, it's written. I always buy from the same store just beside Padma Hotel near Caventus. And this one is Job Jontro cum key ring. This is for me. And this is thukpa noodles, Kalimpong noodles. So Kalimpong style thukpa noodles, I bought it from on the way to Kalimpong. So these are the gift I buy already. I heard about Taj Bakery a lot, so this year I bought some cakes and cookies from Taj Bakery. Fruit cake, small fruit cake from Taj Bakery, 60 rupees, and blueberry muffin, that is 25 rupees each. Location near Astabal Dr. Zakir Hossain Road. Taj Bakery outlet. Actually, there are so many outlets. I took it from that outlet. This is the outlet of Taj Bakery where I bought this cake and everything. And from here, I bought that chicken leg piece. It was really nice. So that is the chicken leg piece, the biggest one I choose. This is how they will take time, at least 10 minutes to fry this chicken leg piece properly, and then they packed it as I said, but you can have it over there also. And like every year I bought the veggies from Darjeeling. I think you got see the previous video. Like every year I bought this cauliflower or full coffee and cabbage, badha coffee, mooli, radish from Darjeeling. I always buy from a person who is staying beside our hotel, not beside, just near about that lady. So I bought this year also. It's weird, but yes, but this time I did not get the lima beans. Hopefully, I don't know if I'll get or not, but here that is very expensive. But I love lima beans, the pink one, which the recipe I already shared previously in the hill area recipe in my YouTube channel. So as of now, I'm going to enjoy this Pahari style full coffee and badha coffee recipe and mooli as well. Hope you enjoyed my tour video and shopping video of 2024, and you can also buy gift from here.